Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Nantia Whitey, better known as Beauty Rebellion, and today's video is going to be a hair review. I know what you guys are thinking. No, not another hair review. But guess what guys, today's video is not going to be a regular hair review. I'm switching it up a little bit for you guys. Today's video is going to be a styling video. I'm actually going to be showing you guys 4 different ways to style your curly lace front wigs. So if you're interested in learning 4 different ways that I personally style my curly lace wig, stay tuned. Okay guys, so as you can see from the caption, I partnered up with Alipearl wigs again for this video. This time around, when I received my hair in the mail, it came with some goodies. It came with this cute little hair scarf with their name on it. You can use it to lay your edges. This is really going to come in handy. And it also came with this cute little brush. Kind of looks like a toothbrush. No more toothbrushes for your edges, ladies. I know I'm not the only one who does that. And it also came with a new cap and an elastic band, but I used both of them when installing this wig. You really just need a spray bottle filled with water, a comb, preferably a rat tail one, and y'all, this Gots to Be spray has been getting me all the way together lately. And a brush, of course. First style we're doing is pretty simple. Well, they're all pretty easy to do, but style number 1 is going to be a half up, half down style. Style number 2 is going to be my personal favorite, which is a side part. Style number 3, it's like a slick back look. If I was actually going to wear this out, of course I would make sure it's a lot neater, but you guys get the gist. going to be a mix between style number 1 and style number 4. So it's going to be a mix between the half up, half down and the middle part. I feel about Alipearl. Like, honestly, this is my second time partnering with them, but they are one of the only AliExpress hair companies that I've actually purchased from with my own money. The hair and wig quality is great, and I recommend them to my clients all the time when they ask me about like AliExpress companies, affordable hair. I actually do recommend Alipearl. Make sure you guys let me know in the comments how you usually style your curly lace frontal wigs, and if you've ever purchased from Alipearl and what your thoughts were. If you like this video, make sure to give me a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe to my channel for more videos like these, and I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys a million, and I'll see you next time.